Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Tinkle before you. The Roos Avenue Court on Wednesday dismissed the interim bail plea moved by Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal seeking 7 days bail citing medical reasons in excise policy money laundering case. While dismissing the plea, the court directed the Tihar jail authorities to conduct all the required medical tests and avail the treatment for the applicant, Arvind Kejriwal. Meanwhile, the court also extended his judicial custody until June 19 of 2024. Arvind Kejriwal was produced to virtual mode before the court. In compliance with Supreme Court directions, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has surrendered himself before Tihar jail on June 2, 2024. The same court on June 1 had kept the order reserved on the bail plea moved by Arvind Kejriwal. During the argument, senior advocate N. Hariharan, who appeared for Kejriwal, submitted that the interim bail was for the purpose of campaigning for my party, which is a national party. I am out of 20 days, and had I not done it, you would have said that he did not campaign and fell ill. It was a lot of stress due to the campaigning, and you know that stress is an aggregator of diabetes. What was alarming was the keto levels rose in the urine. The aspect of concern is high level of sugar and the keto numbers. Appearing for the Enforcement Directorate, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta and Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju submitted that there are several suppressions of the facts, including health conditions. Well, during the preliminary objections, the ED lawyer stated that we have objections to filing of interim bail as well. The court cannot modify the Superior Court order. Here he is on the interim bail because of the SC. The Supreme Court granted what he is asking here is an extension of Supreme Court order. This interim bail plea is required to be dismissed as it is full of suppression of facts. ED, while opposing Kejriwal bail plea seeking extension interim bail by 1 week, said Supreme Court had granted liberty to him that he can file regular bail, but to the liberty to seek extension of interim bail is not granted to him. He has said that these facts require 7 days. The nature of the test has been suppressed. ED also raised maintainability issues on the interim bail plea and submitted that instead of getting a medical test done, he was traveling across. Medical test would not take more than an hour. ED further submitted that the application in fact gained 1 kilogram and has falsely claiming that he has lost 7 kg. The registrar of the Supreme Court has passed a speaking order and the same has been suppressed by them. There is a reason of suppression, and it is because he had been traveling for campaigning purposes, but he did not get the test done then. Recently, Kejriwal, through his legal team, has filed 2 different bail applications before the concerned court. His regular bail plea listed for hearing on June 7, 2024. Earlier appearing for the ED, ASG S.V. Raju submitted that he is campaigning in Punjab. His health did not hinder him from campaigning. Strenuous campaigning has been done. Last minute bail is being filed. His conduct does not entitle him to any bail. Kejriwal earlier moved the Supreme Court for extension of interim bail. On Wednesday, the Supreme Court rejected his plea, stating that since he was given liberty to move trial court for regular bail, the bail plea here is not maintainable. Kejriwal had gotten interim bail from the Justices Sanjeev Khanna and Dipankar Datta on May 10 and was asked to surrender to Tihar jail on June 2. On May 17, the bench reserved verdict on his challenge to validity of his arrest by the ED and excise policy linked to the money laundering case. The Supreme Court further clarified that since order is already reserved on the challenge to arrest, Kejriwal's bail plea for extension of interim bail has no relation to maintain petition. On May 28, the Roos Avenue Court reserved the order of cognizance point on ED's supplementary charge sheet, prosecution complaint filed against the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, Aam Aadmi Party, in connection with a money laundering case related to the excise policy which now stands scrapped. The court, after hearing ED's submissions, fixed the matter for pronouncement of the order on the cognizance point on June 4. And on May 17, Enforcement Directorate officials along with the Special Public Prosecutor Naveen Kumar Matta filed the charge sheet in the Roos Avenue Court of Delhi. On May 10, the top court granted him the interim bail until June 1 in the money laundering case registered by the ED in the connection with the Delhi excise policy. However, it ordered that he did not visit the office of Chief Minister and the Delhi Secretariat. The bench had asked Kejriwal to surrender on June 2. The apex court was hearing Kejriwal's appeal against the Delhi High Court judgment that dismissed his plea against arrest by the ED and his subsequent remand in the excise policy case. Kejriwal, while filing an appeal in the apex court, contended that his arrest after the announcement of the general elections was motivated by extraneous considerations. On April 9, the High Court dismissed his bail plea for release from the jail and rejected his argument of political vendetta amid the looming Lok Sabha elections. The High Court had said that Kejriwal's absence from 9 ED summons over 6 months undermined any claims of special privilege as Chief Minister, suggesting his arrest was an inevitable consequence of his non-cooperation. Kejriwal was arrested by the ED on March 21 in connection with money laundering probe relating to the alleged irregularities in the now cancelled Delhi excise policy of 2021 and 2022. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to The Savera.